We are in the third grade My Math book, page 205, hands-on multiply with arrays. What does multiplication mean? Draw it. An array has rows of equal length and columns of equal length. So rows go this way and columns go this way. So I always think of rows like a movie theater, how the seats are in rows, and columns go up and down, and I think of that like if there was a big building with columns that go up and down like the White House. Make an array on a piece of paper. Arrange the tiles in 4 rows with 3 tiles in each row. So I know I need 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and 3 tiles on each. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 tiles on each row. Count. What's the total number of tiles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 tiles. Turn your paper. There are now how many rows? So if we turn the paper this way, we'd see there are 1, 2. Now there's 3 rows if we turned it that way. So now there are 3 rows with 4 tiles in each row. Draw what the array looks like now. So if we were to draw it, it would look like this. One, 2, 3 rows with 4 on each row. Count, and what's the total number? The total is still 12. We just rearranged it just a little. There are the same number of tiles, 12, even if you turn the array. Go to page 206. The commutative property of multiplication states that the order in which numbers are multiplied does not change the product. Try it. Use tiles to make an array on a paper that shows 5 rows of 2 tiles and draw the array. So 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with 2 tiles on each row. It shows us 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 10. Okay, so how many rows were there? There were 5 rows. There were 2 in each, and the total was 10. Now turn the array the other way. Now when we turn the array the other way, now we have 2 rows. Hello.
Are you going to be here much longer?
Yeah, just a couple minutes.
Okay, perfect. I'll come back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have 2 rows with 5 tiles. Write the addition sentence. This one's a little easier. It's just 5 plus 5, which is 10. If I wrote a multiplication sentence for this, I would say I have 2 rows with 5 in each row, so my total is 10. Stop and reflect. What's the connection between repeated addition and an array? So the addition has 5 rows and 2 in each as 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and the array can be shifted so it's 2 rows with 5 in each, which is 5 plus 5. How can you use an array to model commutative property? An array can be turned and still has the same total, or we could call that the product. List 3 everyday objects that are arranged in an array. So everyday objects arranged in an array, maybe we would think of bookshelves. So I'm going to say, you can name other things, but I'm going to say bookshelves. Usually desks are formed in an array. And one more everyday object that's in an array might be tiles, like floor tiles or carpet tiles, carpet squares or tiles, or like a rug that was a certain specific pattern.